on how strong you appear. Your worth has never been tied to being younger, prettier, faster, or quieter. You were worthy the whole time. You're worthy now, and you'll be worthy tomorrow. If you've been afraid of being replaced or forgotten, I want to ease that fear. You cannot be replaced. You cannot be forgotten. Your presence carries a depth that only a woman who has lived, survived, and grown can have, and that depth is rare. It's the kind of presence that stays in someone's mind long after the conversation ends. There's another truth I want to give you. One you might not have told yourself in years. You are still allowed to be loved gently. You are still allowed to be seen with tenderness. You are still allowed to be cherished in a quiet, steady way. And I want to say this with complete calm. You don't have to earn that kind of love. You don't have to achieve it. You don't have to perform for it. You don't have to be perfect for it. You can simply receive it. I know life has tried to harden you. Loss tried to take your hope. Fear tried to shape your mornings. And the world at times has pushed you into a corner of silence, but you didn't stay there. You didn't let bitterness take root. You didn't let pain define you. You didn't let disappointment turn you cold. Instead, you stayed soft. You stayed compassionate. You stayed faithful. You stayed open to life, even when life didn't always open back. That softness is not a flaw. It's your strength. It's your gift. And it's the reason I'm speaking to you with such care right now. There's something else I want you to hear with your whole heart. When you feel anxious, when your thoughts start to pull you under, when worry tries to steal the peace from your morning, you can return to this truth. You are protected, not in a dramatic way, not in a distant way, but in a quiet, steady, faithful way. Heaven has carried you through moments that no one else knows about, through nights where you felt like you had nothing left, through seasons where you had to act strong even while your heart trembled. And yet, here you are, still waking up, still learning, still growing, still choosing hope in your own gentle way. You might not feel victorious every day, but you are, because you never turned your back on love. You never surrendered your faith. You never stopped caring about the people who matter to you. And I want to give you reassurance that settles into your breath. You are not standing at the end of your story. You are standing in the middle of a life that still has meaning, purpose, and quiet beauty waiting for you. Let the morning remind you that renewal is possible. Let this moment remind you that